Okay, now exercise 13.3. Today we'll solve exercise 13.3. Number one, find this. Question number 1A, 12 is a percentage of 100. Is by of multiplied by 100%. Okay, when we'll convert anything to a percentage of this one, then we will use this formula. Is by of into 100%. So is represent 12 is, so 12 represent is, and of 100. So of represent 100. Okay. So here 1A is by of. So 12 by 100 multiplied by 100%. After dividing 100 by 100, we'll get 12%. Number B. 4 is a percentage of 50. So 4 by 50 multiplied by 100%. 100 by 50 will be 2. 4 to 8% will be the final answer. Question number C. 80 is a percentage of 200. So 80 by 200 multiplied by 100%. So if we cancel 200 by 100, it will be 2. 80 by 2 will be 40. So answer will be 40%. Question number D says $5 is a percentage of $20. So 5 by 20 multiplied by 100%. And if we divide 100 by 20, it will be 5. 5 5s are 25%. Question number E says 4 meter is a percentage of 10 meter. So 4 by 10 multiplied by 100%. 100 by 10 will be 10. 10 4 ja 40% will be the final answer. And number F, 30 cents is a percentage of $2. We know that $2 means 200 cents because $1 is 100 cents. $2 will be 200 cents. So question number F will be 30 by 200 multiplied by 100%. So if we divide 200 by 100, it will be 2. 30 by 2 will be 50. So answer will be 50%. And this is the solution of exercise 13.3, question number 1. Question number 2. In each case, express the first quantity as a percentage of the second. I've already told you that we need to use this formula, that is by of multiplied by 100%. Question number 8. First quantity is 16, second quantity 100. So we need to convert the first quantity as a percentage of the second. So here the first quantity 16 will be the numerator and 100 will be the denominator, and we need to multiply by 100%. After dividing 100 and 100, we will get 16%. That is the answer of question number A. Similarly, আমরা যদি question number B টা দেখি, question number B will be 12 by 50 multiplied by 100%. 100 by 50 will be 2. 12 to the 24%. Simple. Question number C, 1 meter by 4 meters. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 100%. 100 by 4 will be 25. 25 on the 25%. Okay. Question number D, same problem. 3 divided by 10 multiplied by 100%. So 100 by 10 will be 10. 3 10 ja 30%. Question number E, look, 73 cents and $1 represent 100 cents. We know that $1 is 100 cents. So instead of $1, I will input 100 cents multiplied by 100%. So if we cancel 100 and 100, it will be actually 73%. Question number F says 8 cents by $1. $1 means 100 cents multiplied by 100%. 100 and 100 we can cancel. So answer will be 8%. Question number G says 1.80 divided by $2 to multiplied by 100%. So 1.80 multiplied by 100 If we multiply by 20, then we have to move point 2 digit on right side. So 1.80 multiplied by 100 will be 180 by 2%. That is 90%. Question number 8 says 40 centimeter by 2 meter. 40 centimeter and 2 meter actually represent 200 centimeter. Okay. So 40 by 200 multiplied by 100%. So 200 by 100 will be 2. 40 by 2 will be 20. So answer will be 20%. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 2 up to 8. Question number 3 says, in class 7B, 14 of the 25 students are boys. What percentage is this? So percentage of the boys will be the number of the students of the boys are 14 out of 25 multiplied by 100%. So 100 by 25 will be 4. 4 14 is 56%. Okay. Question number 4. A sailor has a rope 50 meter long. He cuts off 12 meter. What percentage of rope has he cut off? So here, question number 4, the answer will be 12 by 50 multiplied by 100%. So 100 by 50 will be 2. 12 to the 24% will be the final answer. Okay. Now, question number 5. Question number 5 says, in a sales promotion, a company offers an extra 150 ml of cola free. The bottles usually hold 1 liter. What percentage of 1 liter is 150 ml? So 150 divided by 1 liter represent actually 1000 ml. So 150 divided by 1000 multiplied by 100%. Okay. Now we need to cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 150 by 10 will be 15%. 15% will be the final answer. Question number 6. Selma spends $4 of her $20 spending money on a visit to the cinema. What percentage is this? So here it will be 4 divided by 20 because she spends $4 out of $20. So 4 by 20 multiplied by 100%. So 100 by 20 will be 5. 5 4 is 20%. Okay. Question number 7. At a Keep Fit Club, 8 of the 25 members are men. What percentage of this? So 8 members are men out of 25 members multiplied by 100%. 100 by 25 will be 4. 4 8 is 32%. So 32% will be the answer of this problem. So percentage of the men of these clubs are 32%. Okay, after 7, now question number 8. Question number 8 says, Derek scored 44 runs out of his team's total of 80. What percentage of the runs did he score? So here the percentage will be 44 by 80 multiplied by 100%. Okay, right now we need to divide. So 4 11 is 44, 4 20 is 80. 100 by 20 will be 5. So 5 11 is 55% will be the final answer of this problem. Now question number 9. 9 says, work out this. A, 25 is a percentage of 200. So here we can write 25 divided by 200 multiplied by 100%. Okay. So 200 by 100 will be 2. So 25 by 2 will be 12.5% by using the calculator. Here in question number 9, you can use calculator to solve this type of problem. Okay. 9b, 40 is a percentage of 150. So 40 by 150 multiplied by 100%. So now we need to divide. So we can cut 0 and 0. 5 3 is 15. 5 2 is 10. Okay. So 42 is 80 by 3%. Here it will be 3 to 6. Then 20, 3 6 is 18. 26 whole 2 by 3% will be the final answer. Now question number D. Question number D, 1.70. That means 1.7 by $2 multiplied by 100%. Okay. So here it will be 170 by 2%. If we divide, then it will be 85%. Question number 10. Halima scores 17 out of 40 in a test. What percentage is this? So it will be 70 by 40 multiplied by 100%. So after cancelling 0 and 0, then we have 10 by 4. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So 17 5s are 85 by 2%. So if we want to convert into decimal, it will be 42.5% by using calculator. Okay. Similarly, if I want to solve question number 11, 11 says Salma is given a discount of $2.50 on a meal that would have cost $17. So what percentage discount is she given? So discount will be, percentage of the discount will be 2.50 by 17 multiplied by 100%. So 2.50 multiplied by 100 will be 250 by 17%. After dividing 250 by 17, 14.71%. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 11. Question number 12. During the 30 days of September in 2022, it rained on 28 of the days. On what percentage of the days did it? During the 30 days of September in 2022, it rained on 28 of the days. What percent of the days did it rain? So it will be 28 divided by 30 multiplied by 100%. Now we need to use calculator to solve this one. So it will be 280 by 3. 280 by 3 will be 3.33%. Okay.